Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the area of similar triangles, that is the area theorem. For this we have to learn the statement and the result also. So according to this theorem, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So it is given the triangle ABC and triangle here is PQR. So area of this triangle ABC and this triangle PQR, the ratio of that is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. If we take AB of this triangle, then PQ will be of this triangle. BC, QR, AC and PR. This we have to take. So area of ABC, ratio of area of AC and PQR is equals to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. So AB upon PQ whole square, this is the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So AB upon PQ whole square, BC upon QR whole square, AC upon PR whole square. So direct this result we will going to use for the exercise. So from NCERT, first we are taking the question number 1. Here it is given, let ABC and DEF are similar triangles and the areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. EF 15.4, find BC. We have to find the BC here. Okay, so ABC and DEF both are the similar triangles. So if we have taken here, this is ABC, this triangle is ABC and the other triangle is DEF. This triangle is D, E and F. This is given. So area of this triangle is given 64. Area of this triangle is given 121. So we have to find BC. EF is also given. EF, this is the side 15.4. So according to the theorem, we have to take the ratio of the square of the two triangles is the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So EF is the corresponding side of BC and that we have to find. So area of ABC upon area of DEF is equals to BC upon EF whole square. So we'll putting the value here 64 upon 121. BC we have to find 15.4 whole square. So BC square will remain here and 15.4 whole square will move this side. So 15.4 we will write here 2 times. This is 64 as it is and 124. So on calculation, if we divide it by 11, this becomes 11 and this becomes 1.4, and from this 11 we will cut this, so we will get here 1.4. So BC square we have to find the root. 1.4 is 2 times, so here is coming 1 and 64 is the square of 8. So here we are getting 11.2 centimeter. Now we are going to take the second question. Second question is given here. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium and the side AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at the point O. And it is also given one condition here, AB is equals to CD. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. Okay, so this figure is given here. This is the figure ABCD. This is a trapezium here. Which side? AB is parallel to CD. These two sides are parallel. And AB side is twice of CD. This is given. So first we will take two triangles. Triangle AOB. This triangle we will take here. AOB, this one, and triangle COD, this triangle. These two triangles we will choose. So what we are having here? This angle AOB, angle AOB, this one, and angle COD. Both are equal because they are vertically opposite. Now AB is parallel to CD, it is given. So we can write there angle OAB. This angle is equals to angle OCD, this one, because these are the parallel lines, so this is the alternate interior angles. So two angles are given in two triangles, these are equal. So both the triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD, here I have started with A angle, A vertex, so in this triangle we will start with vertex C. So AOB is similar triangle COD by AA similarity. If the two triangles are similar, in the area theorem again we are having that if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their area is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we can write here area of AOB upon area of COD is equals to AB square upon CD square. This is AB and CD, the corresponding side. But AB is given to us in the question twice of CD. So instead of AB we can write here twice of CD. So it becomes 4CD square upon CD square. So we are getting here 4 upon 1. So this is our second question. Similarly, we can do the third question. In third question, what we are having, this figure is given and AB, BC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, if AD intersect BC at O point, we have to show that triangle, area of triangle ABC, triangle DBC, that is DBC, is equals to AO upon DO. That we have to do. Okay. For this, given triangle ABC and this is DBC on same base BC. Both are given on same base BC. Right. What we have to prove? Area of ABC upon area of DBC is equals to AO upon DO. Now we have to do one construction here. Draw AX. From here we will draw one perpendicular. This is the perpendicular and suppose this is AX. Similarly, we have to draw the perpendicular. This is DY on BC from here. This is the perpendicular and suppose this is Y. This is X and this is Y. Both the perpendiculars we have to draw. Now in triangle AOX, which triangle we have to take? This triangle AOX, and triangle DOY, this one. These two triangles we have to choose. Now in these two triangles we will make them similar triangles. Angle AXO is equals angle DYO. These are each 90. These, because we have drawn the perpendicular, so this angle AXO is equals DYO, both 90. And this one, angle AOX, this angle, and angle DOY, this one, both are vertically opposite. So we can say that triangle AXO or AOX is similar to triangle DOY. This is AOX similar to DOY, both by AA similarity. These two triangles are similar. Okay. Now if the triangles are similar here, in this we are heading both the triangles are similar, so we can write down that AX means the sides will be in ratio. If the two triangles are similar, then their sides can be in ratio. So this side, this is AX upon DY, AX upon DY, the corresponding sides are in ratio, is equals AO upon DO. So we can write this here. So this is the perpendicular of triangle ABC. and this is also the perpendicular of triangle DBC. So we will find the area of triangle ABC with the formula half base into height. Similarly, we will find the area of the triangle DBC. This is the base BC and height is dy. So that is, we have written here area of ABC and area of DBC is equals to half BC into AX. AX is the perpendicular, and half BC into dy. Dy is the perpendicular of the other triangle. So from here half can be cut, BC can be cut. So area of ABC, area of DBC is equals to AX upon dy. And from first AX upon dy is equals to AO upon DO. So area of ABC upon area of DBC is equals to AO upon DO. This is using 1. That's what we want to prove. Now similarly we can do the next question. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. The areas of two similar triangles are equal. This is given to us. So the area triangle ABC and DEF are similar triangles, and area of ABC is equals to area of DEF. Suppose we are having two triangles. This triangle is A, B and C, and this triangle is D, E and F. The area of these two triangles are equal. So to what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent triangle DF. Congruency you have just read in your 9th class. So you are well familiar with the properties of the congruent triangles. So here what we have, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding side. This is our area theorem. According to this, what we have, area of this triangle ABC and area of DEF is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So any of the one side we can take, any of the pair of, here we can take BC square and EF square. These are the corresponding sides, BC square and EF square we can take here. So BC and EF, because the area are equal, areas of both the triangles are equal, so they can be cut by each other and we will get here as 1. So we'll get here as 1. So 1 is equals to BC square upon EF square. So if we cross multiplied it, what we are having here, BC square is equals to EF square, or if the squares are equal, then the non-square will also be equal. So BC is equals to EF. So suppose this is the first equation that we have taken. Now in triangle ABC and DEF, angle B will be equal to E and angle C is equals to F. Though A is equals to D also, but because we have done here BC is equals to EF, that's why we have choose these two angles B, E, C, F. Otherwise A will also be equal to D, but we are choosing here B and C, E and F because the same side we are having here equal. So angle B is equals to E, C is equals to F. This is because triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Okay. And from first what we are having, BC is equals to EF. So angle side angle. Because of this congruency, what we are having, this triangle ABC is similar congruent triangle DEF. This we have done. Now we have the next question number 5. 5 here. This is the question number 5. DEF are respectively the midpoints of side AB, BC and C of a triangle ABC. Find the ratios of the area of triangle DEF and ABC. This is also very simple question here. This is a triangle ABC and these are the respective midpoints. So DEF are the midpoint of sides BC. D is the, so here it is given D and E are midpoints of side AB. This is side AB. D is the midpoint and E is the midpoint of side BC respectively. So if these are the midpoints, so we can write here DE. This DE is half of AC. DE, this side is half of AC. You know the midpoint theorem. Line joining the midpoints of, and here is also, this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint also of this side. If we see in this triangle, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC. The line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. So DE is half of AC. Similarly, EF is half of AB and DF is half of BC. Right. So if we transpose this DE upon AC, DE upon AC, DE upon AC. So what is remaining here? Half. If again transpose AB upon EF, so EF upon AB, EF upon AB again remain half, DF upon BC again will remain here half. So all the three ratios will be equals to half. So what does it mean? That DE upon AC, EF upon AB and DF upon BC. All the corresponding sides are in ratio here, and triangle D, that is equal, triangle DEF is similar triangle ABC. Triangle DEF is similar triangle ABC. All the ratios are equal, hence both the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equals to the square of the ratio of the corresponding side. So any one of the side we can take because the ratios are equal. So any one of the ratio you can take here. So I have taken here DE upon AC. You can choose EF upon AB or DF upon BC, doesn't matter. So DE upon AC whole square is equals to, DE upon AC is given 1 upon 2. So here we are having 1 by 4. Now similarly we can do this sixth question. Prove the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Medians, we know that it divides the side on which it is fall into two equal parts. So here it is given triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These are given, and AX is the median of triangle ABC and DEF is the median of DY. So because of this median, BX is equals to XC and EY is equals to YF. It is given. So given triangle ABC and DEF, AX and DY are the median to the side BC and EF respectively. We have to prove that triangle ABC, we have to prove that the area of triangle ABC and area ratio of the triangle DEF is equals to the ratio of their corresponding median, means AS square upon DY square. This we have to prove. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, it is given that they are similar. If they are similar, their corresponding sides will be in ratio. So we can write there AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF, BC upon EF. But we are required here the median also. So what we will do, we will change this BC to twice of BX, because BC, X is the midpoint. So we can write that BC is equals to twice of BX. So AB upon DE as it is, and twice of BX upon twice of EY. 2 can be cancelled. So BX upon EY, this is the first equation that we are having. Now we will take these two triangles, ABX and DEY. So angle B is equals to angle E, because triangle ABC, B is the part of ABC also and E is a part of DEF, and ABC is similar to DEF. So we can write here angle B is equals to angle E. Now from first, AB upon DE is equals to BX upon EY using 1. So by this angle and sides and ratio, so we can write that triangle ABX and triangle DEY both are similar by SAS similarity. So AB upon DE is equals to, if these are in ratio, is these two triangles are in ratio similar, these two triangles are similar, then all the other sides also in ratio. So AB upon DC, AB upon DE is equals AX upon DY and BX upon EY. BX upon EY ये हमारे काम का नहीं है, so we will take it AB upon DE is equals to AX upon DY. Second equation. Now it is given that area of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So area of ABC, we know this theorem, upon area of DEF is equals to, we will take the corresponding side AB square upon DE square. So AB square upon DE square, from second equation we can replace AB by AX and DE by DY. So this ratio is completely changed into AX square upon DY square, that we have to prove. Now, similarly, we can take here one last question. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to the half of the equilateral triangle described on one side of its diagonal. So, here we have ABCD is a square. This one. This is given here ABCD. This ABCD is a square. So, one equilateral triangle is on the one side. This, and other here is a diagonal, and other triangle is on the diagonal. This one, this is the one triangle on the side, and this is the equilateral triangle on the diagonal. So this triangle is on the diagonal, this one. So these all sides are equal, and these sides are equal. Two triangles are here that we are having. So ABCD is a square. It is given. ABCD is a square. It is given to you. ABCD is a square. This triangle ABE, triangle ABE is equilateral triangle, and triangle ACF is also equilateral triangle. What we have to prove? To prove area of ABE upon area of ACF is equals to half. This we have to prove, that area of ABE is equals to half upon area of ACF is equals to half. This is proof. Now we will take proof. In triangle ABC, ABC, either you can write here A or A, your choice. So this triangle we will take here ABC. In triangle ABC, if we apply the, yes, in triangle ABC, this is ABC, sorry, this is A, B and C. This is 90 because this is a square. So we can apply here the Pythagoras theorem. So we can write here AB square plus AB square, this is AB square plus BC square, you know the Pythagoras theorem, is equals to CA square or AC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem that we have added here. Now these two sides are equal, AB and BC are equal. So we can write here AB square plus AB square is equals to AC square. So we can write twice of AB square is equals to AC square. This equation, first equation that we are having here. Now these two triangles, both the triangles, triangle we can write here triangle ABC and triangle AEB. The triangle ABE, this is this triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Both are equilateral triangle, and we know that each are having equal angles. Both are equilateral triangles. Hence, or therefore, these are equiangular. If the triangles, all the angles are equal, then the triangle ABE is similar triangle ACF. These two triangles are similar. Okay, if this is similar, what we have? So area of ABE upon area of ACF is equals, any side we can take, so AB square upon AC square, we can take it, AB square of triangle ABE and AC side of triangle ACF, the corresponding sides we will take here. Now area of ABE upon area of ACF is equals to AB. AB, what we are having here, any one we can replace from here, either AB or AC. So AB square as it is, if we put here, what is the value of AC square is equals to twice AB square. So this is twice of AB square. This can be cut. So we are having area of ABE upon area of ACF is equals to 1/2. So this is the area, hence we have find here. So last two MCQs are left. So we have repeated the same questions. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC, ratio of the areas of triangles of ABE and BDE. This question number 5 we have done like this, so you can do it yourself. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Areas of these triangles, if the sides are given, then the area we can find with the help of the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So 4 and 9, so we are having here 16:81. So this is the exercise completed. Now you go through from the exercise and do all the questions in the fair notebook. So next turn we will discuss the Pythagoras theorem and the exercise. Thank you so much.